Kikari here. Welcome to a wonderful game at Town of Salem.
Ignore the squeaky.
Yes, Ash is currently going crazy, looking at
Yeah.
things on a different program.
Well,
She's even missing her cue in the game. Isn't that just about horrible?
No!
Yes, we're in the game.
Ah! Aww. Sorry, so freaking random. Oh, wait. You're changing your name.
Yep.
I'm going with Egyptian gods.
I noticed that I would try to make some of my own movies so people or videos so people can see the another bird's side of what you're doing. But right now I'm going with
So apparently somebody's humping Raw, but they're missing. Either that or maybe they miss Raw's humps. Her humps. Her humps. Her humps. Her humps.
I could need to get that song.
Oh, Lord.
I blame Kikari.
For what?
Everything.
That's not very nice.
Yeah, probably not. But I never did say I was nice. Oh, it's so cute. Why am I doing this?
You know who I am? Who?
I am squishy.
Oh, you're squishy?
Oh,
yes. Thank you,
what?
witch.
I'm confused.
You sent me to the better.
I didn't do nothing.
I want to hug Squishy.
You died by another vet.
Dude, vets just don't like you today.
This time,
I'm okay with that.
didn't get killed by a vet. Woohoo!
Yet.
Yet.
Actually, in that case, it was the witch that controlled me and took me to the vet.
Dun dun dun.
Who's the vet?
Who's the witch?
I don't know.
Find the witch and you find out who the vet is.
How do you know Deathstroke's the vet?
Because did you look at his death note?
Oh, yeah, he's the vet.
Yep.
But people can see I wasn't lying. Day one, I said I was bad. And look at my roll. The EXE.
No. No way.
John Luck is the EXE.
You're a framer.
There's no medium? It would seem there's no medium. I hate when there's no medium. Dang, the lookout and the investigator, along with me.
Ah! No! Son of a
You're
biscuit!
dead, aren't you?
Huh?
I was only the amnesiac gonna say.
Aw.
Poor furry.
I just wanted
That's
to
me.
kill this squishy.
By the veteran.
I
You
just
wanted to
wanted
kill
this
me?
squishy dead.
Well, then you should have remembered that you were a serial killer.
She was working on it.
I was working
Oh.
on it and then I was killed. It
Aw.
Ooh, the blackmailer.
killed me.
Visited. That's true.
The blackmailer saw it as a good idea to go after the veteran that they just found out was a veteran. Really?
Wow.
I hear a little one.
Oh. Someone help me get the cookie.
Yeah, what Laces said.
What'd you say?
Well, at least you got two bad guys. Leave them alone.
I found another one.
Yes!
What?
I got an achievement.
Oh, yeah?
The vet is dead.
Uh-oh.
Achievement that I I was what Ash was, and so I knew that there was achievement for it, so I did Ash.
Oh, so you used me.
Yes,
You see, because
I
Oh,
used
shit.
you.
remember that they are serial killer.
Oh, I'm in trouble.
Oh, there's more than one.
I'm in trouble.
Kill the squishy.
I'm a squishy. Wait, only place I remember squishies from is another game.
Oh, I'm nervous now.
Should be.
Someone wants their cookies.
I didn't get my cookie fix yet. I want my cookie. Cookie.
You're already dead. You don't get cookies.
Cookie!
I keep thinking of that song.
You should be nice and give me cookie anyway. Because I am nice, so you give me cookie?
There were 3 amnesiacs.
There were 3, now there are 2.
Yep.
I'm just one of the 2.
Slobber's question is, does that mean there were 3? the answer to his question would be yes. Everybody's saying no. So, what the heck? Why the veteran leave?
Because he was butthurt.
Because he forgot to suit up.
He forgot the loop last night.
Wouldn't it be interesting if in music they remember that they were in music, turn around and remember that they were a serial killer? Ooh.
Remind me to kick the heck out of someone later.
Uh-oh. I didn't do it.
Not me.
Uh-huh.
I died night one.
He just made that decision.
Squishy is dead. Somebody got cookies.
I want cookie.
Somebody got their cookies.
Somebody got the cookies.
I want cookie.
No.
Sorry for killing you, bro. Oh my god, there's another one. What the fuck?
This is ridiculous.
Someone share cookie? I'm stuck as an amnesiac. This is baloney. Baloney.
Oh wow. 3 serial killers in one game. This is rare. Wait, how does John Locke know this? He's been voting people up on the entire stinking game.
I know, right?
Ooh.
I noticed.
Number 1 is usually a bad person, people.
No,
Well,
that's
they've
not
been trying to.
I know. The entire game he's been voting people up, but he hasn't really given any evidence. He hasn't said anything.
I blame the squishy.
The squishy didn't do anything but kill the SK. And probably the
However,
veteran.
bit is false because they would say, I am blackmail.
What, babe?
I will laugh if Dr. Draven is a SK. Well, no, I won't. I'll laugh if he's a count. Oh, he's Chester.
SpaghettiOs. I wonder if John Locke is like cheating or something. Oh, great.
Oh no!
Not laces.
You were stabbed by a serial killer.
Yes, I was.
The lowly janitor.
Poor laces.
It's okay.
We
I'll
could have
survive. Oh, wait. No, I'm dead.
Ooh, serial killer. That's a good John Locke.
The poor widow jester died.
Oh.
So I'm fairly certain that I know whom the mafia killer is.
Uh,
Not me.
As long as the SKs don't find each other, should be able to win this. I hope. No, do not vote.
Hmm. To hang or not to hang? That is the question. Oh shit. 3 Mafia versus 1 SK.
Hmm.
So, just gonna throw that out there. Dark Chi is the killer.
Mhm.
I know that because I used him to kill the veteran. I was kind of hoping he'd learn again, but he didn't. Oh well. I'm assuming that Stormy is either blackmailer or mafioso. No, Slob Lobber is the mafioso or the Godfather. No, duh. Dark is the mafioso. Means you're the blackmailer, and Slob Lobber is the Godfather. She killed you. She killed you,
I
Dad.
knew Sissy would come after me. She
She
hangs today.
she killed you, Dad.
I,
Oh, you're the framer. John was totally the SK. Totally.
Well, I assumed. There was a
He was
point
the
he was still
execute.
trying to get everybody
He was
hung.
the executioner. The veteran was his target. Once the veteran died, he started blaming other people trying to get himself hung. Well, folks, I'm pretty sure this is an early time to start saying the Mafia win.
Then watch it.
no, because there's still one more serial killer out there.
Yeah, but there's one serial killer and 2 Mafia.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
You know what?
A
The
little while ago, there was 3 mafia and 2 serial killers.
And the realization sinks in. I'm gonna stop before the feedback kicks in. Oh, it's the baby. Hey, Ellie. Ellie, you're on YouTube.
Oh.
You're on the interweb.
Yeah.
You're gonna be famous. I have 92 people following me. You tell the world what you think.
Let's just hope she doesn't fart again.
oh,
Yeah, you tell him. You tell him all about how horrible it is. Not being able to talk and tell people what's on your mind. I know.
You so don't know.
You like mine? Miss Roms, everyone. Love my ass off.
So Ms. Hyde,
Woohoo! I got 10
Crooked Laces, they have both won this game. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and thank you guys for playing with me.
Later, folks.
Damn it, I did it again.
That's exciting. Have yourself a wonderful night, and hopefully we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.